According to a new report, Google appears to be aligning its next foldable Android phone with the rest of this fall's Pixel 9 lineup by branding it the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Pixel 9 Pro Fold could be Google's next foldable, not Fold 2. According to information received by Android Authority, Google has adjusted its naming scheme for the late 2024 Pixel devices to be. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold has already leaked CAD-based renders that show off the wild camera bump, reveal the bigger size, and also show the inner display bees, posted to Smart Pre. According to this leak, we're looking at a cover display measuring in at about 6.4 inches. That's a big increase from the 5.8-inch display on the original Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and even larger than the 6.31-inch screen on the front of the OnePlus Open. While the inner foldable panel relies on a 7.9-inch flexible OLED screen, it's significantly taller and thinner than the original, by 15.5mm and 1.56mm, respectively. The camera bump has a new shape, one that's very far removed from the original Pixel Fold's visor-like contraption. And as you can see that it's come with a triple camera setup, main camera, ultra-wide, and periscope zoom lens. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold might skip the Tensor G3 chipset and jump straight to the Tensor G4 in the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro, which probably also means it will only be introduced alongside those devices in October and not in May like the original Pixel Fold. And upcoming Google Tensor G4 Geekbench score revealed, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold features 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.